CMPL, I would say, is the right initiative in a market like India, which is developing and in fact winning new consumers, bringing new products to the market. So this is a platform where the brands and the manufacturers connect together, like where they really get to know each other. They sit together, so they decide what can be done for future to do something new. It's a new way of doing the right thing, I would say. The one and only mantra is whatever you do, thinking of your final consumer. If it is a manufacturer, they need to know about the brand quite well. It's like their own brand. And similarly, if the brand is doing something for the consumer, they need to know who all can help them cater to that set of consumers in a good way, in an innovative way, in a unique way during their growth journey. I would say it's a great initiative. The future will be lying there only. The whole ecosystem will benefit from it. I would say present in many more cities in India. I would say maybe CMPL might be new, but the people in this panel, the whole setup made by the people, panel is very interesting. Like it's a place to enjoy, it's a place to support, it's a place to collaborate. And honestly, as we were part of the Innovate session, so it's a place to innovate also. I still feel myself young, and if I go 10 years back into my journey, I would say take risks. That is very important for any youth in India at this stage.